Today we were going to tackle the definition of infimum and supremum, and we will going to have an example later. In real analysis, the infimum or greatest lower bound and supremum least upper bound are K notations used to describe the behavior of sets. They provide crucial insights into the boundaries and extremities of mathematical objects. Now let's have an example. Naatay line diri no? From A to B, sorry, A to B, where all the elements from A to B, let's call it set of M. Now, for the definition, M, subset of real number, where B is an element of R, is called an upper bound for M if for all X is an element of M such that X is less than equal to B. And A, element of R, is called a lower bound for M if for all X, element of M, such that X is greater than equal to A. Since na-assignment man to katong maximal element and minimal element, so I also include it here. Now, tibutang to. We have the same ra katong number lang kanina from A to B, where between ni A to B kay matawgon na to siya ni nga set M. So if B is an upper bound for M and B is an element of M, no? So element siya ni M, then B is called a maximal element of M. Diri nga part no. And if A is a lower bound for M, sorry, lower bound for M, and A is an element of M, then A is called minimal element of M. Kani. Let's have an example for minimal and maximal element. Now, we have here set M is equal to 1 and 3. Now, if you notice, close interval na siya. Kaya kung ma-open interval mo good siya is the maximal and minimal element does not exist. So, here, ato ang maximal element kay si 3, ang atong minimal element si 1. And for the definition of supremum M, supremum, now let's say we have 4 diri, tanan padulong dira are called lowest upper bound or equal to sup M. Now let's say na-add diri si beta. Okay. Beta. Basta man siya, di maklara. Now, for the definition of supremum, M, subset of real number, where beta is an element of real number, is called supremum of M if for all x element of M such that x is less than equal to beta. Now, for infimum, let's say na diri, tanan padulong dira are called greatest lower bound or NCM or siya. So let's say na diri si alpha. Klaro, alpha dira. Basta na dapit si alpha. Now, for the definition of infimum, M subset of real number, where alpha is an element of real number, is called infimum of M if for all x element of M such that x is greater than equal to alpha. So that's all, and thank you.